nagbiyahe sila alert diha, nagbiyahe na padulong dira alert. Oh, nanaga na ang mga tao kay kanon natin nga minawala man ang pulis. Oh. Lumalakas. So, balik dito sa Pikas, guys. Salamat kabayan Alvin. Katubag sa mga tawa, guys. Please, on the way na po ako. I am a German nurse po. If you are a registered nurse po, you will need it here. Aman tong nurse ganina na akong kastorya. Dili na katong registered diri ba na kaila. Maliway Tulugay. We are 24,000 strong. Please assist Tata. Yes po. Nakado na po kami. Meron na po kami kausap kanina ng mga nurse. If possible po. Correct. Pagsulod ni Tatay Digong, mukhang tagurutag bayang Magiliw or ang bayan kong Pilipinas.
Wala pa talaga nakakaalam ko, nakapasok ko siya.
Lupang hiniraw.
Kasi nga, iba-iba yung mga information na binibigay sa amin.
What is your question? Are you from and where are you affiliated to?
Reuters.
Reuters. Okay, interview me now. Come on. What is your question?
How do you feel right now seeing your former president?
We are enraged because we love President Duterte.
Wala,
He
maybe.
loves the Philippines first. That's why we love him. There
Ay, hindi
is
pa yun.
no
Siguro yung
fairness
umalis.
here.
Nandito pa yun.
ICC doesn't have any jurisdiction in the Philippines. We are no longer, and we are not part of the International Criminal Court, and the International Criminal Court doesn't have any jurisdiction in the Philippines. We insist and we give our petition to release Duterte because he did not receive there's no proper jurisdiction, and he did not receive due process. He was illegally taken from the Philippines. They kidnapped him going here in the Netherlands. That is not how you were saying we should follow the rule of law, but the ICC themselves, they're not following the rules to give him due process.
We no longer have the banner, guys. Wala na tayong banner po. Wala na po dito yung banner.